And looking back at this RTP, and man, did it get a nice bounce. And still oversold here. But you know, I'm gonna take it at 200 long. Let's see what it could give me here. Looks like it's might start to reverse. We'll see. So be back to update these two here. Looks like this RTP is gonna go a bit. I got another 200 shares. So 400 shares of this. It's a pretty decent sized position for such a high price stock. So should see some decent profits if we get a nice up move. And MSCS is not really doing anything. It's just staying around certain levels. I was looking for more of a violent move downward, but I guess might not get that. Anyway, be back to update this RTP. This has more action. Getting a nice up move here on the markets. Spiders just came through their 50-day moving average, so just gave me a little pop on my RTP trade. So it's coming back down. Should get another little pop though. Anyway, be back to update these. I got a target here on this RTP on 126.60, so put out a limit order to sell. See if I get hit on that one, and I think I'm just gonna cover this this MSCS on this candle. If it doesn't break down to lows, basically. So be back to update, back on pause. And MSCS just hit a new low, so still kind of liking it, but I might cover right after when this candle closes, if we don't get a better downside move. So $50 in the money. It's not bad. So back on pause. Just 30 seconds left on the candle. Alright, gonna cover here on this MSCS. And cancel my stop there. So made a little bit there. Like I said, $40–50. I'm up $13.74. And this RTP is getting close to this 1260. Yeah, real close here. Just back on pause. I'll let you guys know what happens. Alright, just closed out this this RTP. I don't like how it broke a 126.40 on the ask, so I just sold that market, and I'm up now 15.65. Made a little profit on this RTP, and on to the next one. Alright, gonna take a long here in this INTC and put a stop in right away at 1601. So long on it at 1607. And oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let me get back in this. Okay, I'm gonna put a stop in at 1601. So I'm long, same price, 1607, and I'll be back to update. And I know there's something wrong with the software when putting a stop limit. I don't know, it's working before, but just gonna keep it in mind. I'm gonna get out at, if it breaks 1601 on the bid side. Yeah, on the bid side. So be back to update you guys. My reasoning for going long here is just I see it's kind of embedded on the stochastics to be on the oversold side, and I'm trying to catch this bottom here and trade the channel, but we might get a better up move in about 15 minutes. So it's pretty much my time frame for the upside move is about 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens. If it gets back to 1607, I might hit it again for another 500 shares, just so I get a better profit when it hits my target, or if it does. So anyway, be back to update this here. Alright guys, I think I'm just going to take myself out of this trade. Not really liking it too much. I wanted a better upside move, so I got hit on these 1610s. I think I made $20. So I'm up 1602, and on to the next trade. Probably going to be a better one than this. Alright, went short on this. I think I did. Yeah. Shorting this DD DuPont, and had a nice up move this morning. Three nice four green candles here, and it's sold off after that. We got another 4 going, so looking for it to sell off. It's a little pattern, and plus we're getting overbought, so gonna look for a nice little down move here, and I might short on these wicks at 55. We'll see. I think this is a good entry price. I don't know how I got 2,000 shares here, but I'll stay with the 2,000. And man, I did not expect to have 2,000 shares. I'm gonna short another 1,000, like I said, at 55. If it breaks that, as you can see, we're getting wicks galore here, and we should get a nice down move. So I'll be back to update. This will probably be the last trade for me. Gonna call it a day after this one. Oh boy, man, look at this INTC. Missed the up move. I was just a little bit too soon in getting out, and this DD is working a bit here. Come up to that moving average, which you could call a resistance. Got a target at 24.38, so I'll put it out there to sell, or cover rather. And I'll be back to update her. Alright, getting close now here. Getting some buybacks at this around 40 level. Let's just see, 3 cents away here. Should get hit. If not on this candle, the next one, and back on pause. Like I said, we had a pattern of 4 greens and 2 reds. See if the pattern continues here. Not far away from my target, just a couple of cents. Back on pause, guys. Alright, here we go. Should get hit right here. Alright, getting hit and all gone. And made a $200 profit there, something around there. So I'm up 18.58. On not too much in commissions, like 106 or 200. however you guys calculate it. Traded 21,200 shares. And anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, just message me, same old story. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy trades, guys.